What's up, Kids Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, we have a product in front of me. This is a desktop 3-in-1 stand. So it doesn't have wireless charging or anything. This is just a stand to where you can set your phone up and charge it, set your Apple Watch, set your AirPods. This was sent out to me from a company called I believe it's called Nulaxy. I will drop a link to their website in the description so you can pick this up for yourself. So pretty much we're just going to, I'm gonna show you around the box real quick. So this is the setup. They sent me out the silver 3-in-1 stand. So pretty much you would have to run cables through this to use it, but we're just gonna check it out and see should you pick this up or not. So let's open it up like so. So this is what you're pretty much greeted with, you know. It's kind of bummer because I actually have to put this together, but here's your instruction manual. I won't need that. I get a little screw, as you can see there. I don't need that. Then you get your base. This is the base. This is the bottom, the base of the product. Then this is the stand part where you put your phone and your Apple Watch. This is Velcro tape, I believe, to stick this to your table if you wanted to do that. And then you also get the little connector. This is where your AirPods will currently sit. So pretty much I'm going to just I'm gonna attempt to put this together on camera. So just bear with me. Put everything I need here, but like I said, this is the base of the product. Okay, so now that is put together, that was a struggle. Then you want to stick your AirPods part in here like so. Make sure everything is lined up the right way. Pretty much this is what this will look like once you're done. I don't know. Like I said, install was horrible, but we got it done. So that's something we're gonna have to work on, definitely. Would I say buy it? Yes, but just bear with it because it is not easy to put together. So pretty much you will put your AirPods, they'll sit there. Your AirPods will sit there. Then your smartphone will sit here. And then you could put your Apple Watch here when you have it docked. When you have the dock in there, it can sit here. And this is what you would get with this little setup here. So it's not bad. Like I said, it's not bad. Just a little frustrated with the install, and I believe I do still have this on a little crooked, but it is what it is. But pretty much that's what you're gonna get. That's what it's gonna look like. It's not wireless charging, so you're not gonna get wireless charging capability. You'll just have to plug in your own cables. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.